Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The brightest day for us. Government has put a lot of protocols in place. Court is also following a lot of protocols. So it's a very, a lot of checks in place for tourists who are coming in, and from the ship going out to Goa, all those checks have been maintained. Certification for RT-PCR, everything is checked, and it's good for Goa. More tourists coming, we'll have more revenue generated, and also to give an idea to the people that everything is safe and sound in Goa.
आणि हितून एक क्रूज येयल्या त्या खातीर हे सगळे पोर्टानूय बिझनस सुरू जाला. हांगाय कितें गोंयकारांकूय आमकां कितें तरी बिझनस मेळटलो ही आशा धरता.
As you are aware that the cruise business itself is the government of India's premier project. For that, port has already slashed the rates, and we are developing an international cruise terminal also at 100 crore rupees. As per as a cargo ship, cargo port, cruise business may not be very lucrative. Still, as a social responsibility, we are doing it. It is good for the region.
State government was looking for some tourism benefits जे MPT आपले बिझनस आणि इकॉनॉमी खातीर रिवायव करपा खातीर प्रयत्न करताले. तर खंय तरी आयज JM बक्षी हे शिपींग एजन्सीचे अंडर ही गोडेला एम्प्रेस क्रूज आयच्यान चालू जाल्ली आसा, आनी हाजे फुडें MPTचो बिझनस जावं क्रूज टुरिजमाचे बिझनस आयच्यान हांगच्यान चालू जातलो अशें हांगच्यान आमकां दिसून येता. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर विक्रम नायक.